shadows of the night, where the moon glows bright, lurks a wolf with eyes that sparkle with fright. They call him fierce, they call him bold, with stories of danger endlessly told. He tiptoes softly through the trees, sniffing the air with a growl and a sneeze. He howls at stars and chases bats, wearing a cape and funny red hats. But wait, this wolf has a secret true. He's not quite as scary as told to you. He drinks red juice with strawberry fizz and munches on beetroot, oh what a whiz. He acts all tough with a thundering roar, but faints at the sight of a closed fridge door. Not hunting sheep or chasing zoos, so next time you hear a howl so wild, don't be afraid, just laugh and smile. The bloodthirsty wolf, oh he's just shy, he's very beautiful and soft heart wolf.
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Il Minor.